The first thing we need to do, these are our opening balances on the 1st of August. We need to post them, okay? So I come to the debtors ledger. I put the date. It's August the 1st. I don't write balance brought down. I write account rendered. Account rendered. And straight into the balance column, what K. Thompson owes us is 2340. Okay? Then we come to Joy's Gems. It's also August the 1st. Account rendered. And the amount is 21,100 Rand. And lastly, Stone Limited. Also August the 1st, account rendered, and it is 11,450 Rand. Okay, that's your first step, all opening balances. Okay, do we remember this? Yeah. Now, normally they would give you the journals, and you'd have to post all of these into the journals, but they haven't given you the journals. They've given you the transactions that affect the debtors and creditors, and then you have to put it into their ledger. They forgot to put it into their ledgers, which is silly. So we have to do it for them now. So the first one says, settle the account of Joy's Gems. Okay, check 278. So we settled the account, our account with Joy's Gems. Okay, so we come to their ledger. The date for that transaction is the 2nd. What is the source document? A hand, don't shout at me, yeah? Okay, it is check counterfoil because we paid them. Check counterfoil, no number, no mark. So check counterfoil number 278. And it is the CPJ because we're paying them. It would have been entered in the creditors control column in the CPJ. And what's happening to our debts?
We're setting the account, so it's going to be 21,100.
Good, and it's decreasing. So 21,100 Rand. We now owe them 0, nothing. Or you could put a dash. Okay, everyone happy? Yes. Next one. On the 4th, we sold goods on credit to K. Thompson. 1,500 Rand, and I just want, invoice 451. So we sold goods on credit. What journal would you have posted that in? The DJ, because we're selling on credits, okay? So, over here, K. Thompson, on the 4th, with a hand, please, someone, what's the source document for when we sell on credit, yeah? Good. Duplicate invoice. Remember I said the debtors ledger is easy because everything is matches with the D. Okay. Invoice, and it's number 451. The journal is the DJ, and DJ goes in what column? Debit column, because his account is getting bigger. 1,500 Rand. Okay. Then I say 2340 plus 1,500. He now owes us 3840. Okay? The 4th is done. The 6th. Bought merchandise. So we bought merchandise on credit from Stone Limited, 16710. I just want you to write here, renumber to 60. Because remember, when we get invoices from other businesses, we renumber it so that we can have it in a chronological order. Do you remember that? We don't use their numbers because they don't match our book. So we're going to start renumbering it from number 60. Okay, so we go now. We bought from Stone Limited, okay, on the 6th of August. To me, what's the source document if we buying on credit? So we the customer. Good. Good. Okay, so we'll just say original invoice because we're lazy.
Ma'am, if you write credit invoice,
it's perfect. It's more correct. Okay, and we renumbering it to number 60. Okay, we don't use their numbers, and we write there CJ because we're buying more. So Sadie, is our debt getting smaller or bigger?
Oh wait, no, sorry, bigger.
Okay, because we're buying more. Good. With 16,710 Rand. So now I say 11,450 plus 16,710. So we now owe them 28,160 Rand. Okay. Easy, hey? On the 11th, Kay Thompson, she settled her account to date. So whatever her account is to date, she settled, and we issued her receipt 371. So Phoenix, how much does Kay Thompson owe us to date? 3,840, and she wants to settle. So how much is she going to pay? All of it. Okay. So it's the 11th. Okay. Dash. What's the source document? If she's paying us, she's the customer. We received money. So what's the source document? Come. You're taken. Good. A nice laik. Good. Okay. Duplicate receipt, and the number is 371. To me, what journal would that have been entered into? Good. The CRJ. Hold on. And it was, she's settling her account. Her account is 3840. So minus 3840. She now owes us nothing. Yes.
I wanted to ask, whenever it's on the debtors ledger, it's either going to be duplicate invoice or duplicate receipt.
Yes.
Right? And then when it's on the creditors ledger, it's normally your check counter foil.
And your original
And your
invoice.
original invoice if it's a CJ.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then for your...
Why are we talking?
Oh, okay.
Okay. 15th. We bought equipment on credits from Stone Limited for 72,300. But look, are we going to use this invoice? No. Ours. Exactly. So we come to Stone Limited. The date is the 15th. We bought on credit. So Carlos, what's the source document if we bought on credit? We bought on credit. Yes. It is the CJ. That's where it would have gone. And the source document? Good. Thank you, Ronan. Original invoice. And it would be number 61. Okay? And we bought 72,300. It's making our debt bigger. So now we say 28,160 plus 72,300. And we get 100,460 is what we owe them now. Okay, the 15th is done. 18th. English, hey? Look, it says, settled the accounts of Stone Limited as on the 1st of August. What we owed them on the 1st of August, not what we owe them to date. Okay? What we owed them on the 1st of August. So let's go check what we owed Stone Limited. We owed them 11,450. Exactly. So that's what we're going to settle. And it says we settled it by EFT.
Bank statement.
Good. Source documents, the bank statement. So we come here to Stone. It's the 18th. The source document is the bank statement because it was via EFT. If we paid by check, it would have been check counterfoil. Okay, Kamala journal. If we're paying back, the CPJ. And we're settling what we owed them on the 1st, which was 11,450. Yes. 89,010 Rand is what we owe them now. Okay? Okay, everyone happy? Like you fine? Okay. 18th done. 20th. Bought gemstones on credit from Joy's Gems, 15,300. So we bought on credit from Joy's Gems. Okay. Are we going to use this invoice? No, we use our own. So Joy's Gems on the 20th, we bought on credit. So Noku, what's the source documents? Good. Original invoice number 62, and it is the CJ, and the amount is, yes?
Why did you make your own number?
Because I renumbered them. Because look, do these go in order? Look, this one's 711, this is 721. So we renumber it ourselves. Okay.
You can make your own number.
Well, in the exam, we'll tell you where to renumber from. Okay. So 15,300. So now we owe Joy's Gems 15,300. Yes. I just chose 60. Yeah. Okay. So the 20th is done. 23rd. We almost done. This is how quick you must do it in the exam, okay?
Yes.
So it says, sold goods on credit to K. Thompson. Yes?
Ma'am, sorry ma'am, but for the one that we just did, ma'am, you said it's CJ, right?
Yeah. No. Yes, CJ.
Ma'am, so how do we know it's CJ, ma'am? So we only did...
Because we bought on credit, so our amount is going up. Because if we buy more, we put it in the CJ, and what does that do to our debt? Makes it bigger. But also, look, I wrote there, credit side is CJ. So you have to put it on that side. Okay. So we sold goods to K. Thompson on the 23rd. Okay. The source document is the duplicate. What? Good. The duplicate invoice because they
It's the DJ,
customer.
So we're increasing, yeah.
Good. Number 502. And it is the DJ. And it is getting bigger because he's buying more. So now he owes us 2130. Okay? 2130. And lastly, we bought goods on credit from Stone Limited. So everyone go post it by yourself. Okay? Bought goods on credit from Stone Limited. Careful with the numbering of the invoices. Yep. Yeah, Brandon, you. Yeah, there you go. And there we go. The 27th, original invoice 63. CJ, credit 19520. We now owe them 284210. Now, if I ask you to draw up a creditors list, what would you do? Who knows? What do you remember what a creditors list was? Yeah?
Ma'am, I think it was when we would write like K. Thompson.
Why?
It's supposed to be 108,500.
30, yeah. Your amount is wrong, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be 108,530. Good. Okay. Now just look here quickly. A creditors list, we did it often. It's just a list of your creditors. So I then say, Joy's,
And then you
James.
just add them together, but for debtors
Good.
and creditors, they must be separate.
Okay. Good. So Joy's James was 15,300, and Stone Limited was 108,530, and then we'd add them. So that's plus 15,300. So this 123,830. What should this be the same as? Do you remember? Come, this is
the
to.
same as
Shouldn't it be the same
Yes.
as general, yeah, your general total?
Close. Your
C.
creditors control balance.
Really? On the general ledger.
Yeah.
Oh, that's smart. Because why?
Because the creditors control T account is the total of all your creditors, right? How much they owe you. So, and if these are my creditors, then I take this plus this, should be the same.